Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
बांबोये जीएमसी कडेच्या फ्लायपास्टाक आरोग्य मंत्री आशिल्लो अशे गजालींनी खंय लोकांकूय उमेद येता.
In this war against COVID-19, they have taken the decision today to felicitate all the doctors, our dean, all the other doctors and the frontline workers, our nurses, everybody. And through this gesture, this will go a very long way if you see the encouragement and people so happy with this type of a gesture.
कोरोना हाताळूंक गोंयची मेडिकल टीम सक्षम भिवू नाकात म्हूण दोतोर उलोवन दाखयता.
Tell Goan people, Goans, you're safe. Bear up just 2 more weeks. You're safe.
Yeah.
Absolutely safe.
Really.
And if you'll get fever, cough, cold, come to the government hospitals. We'll manage you. Don't worry.
Department from Goa Medical College, and responsibility given to us is to set up and manage the COVID ICU over here. We are doing it with the help of medicine department, and it's a great support from our college behind us.
And we are ready for any COVID patients in ICU.
We are indeed proud of them, and this is a small way in which we have shown our gratitude to these brave corona warriors.
सगळे बरें आसा. कोरोना व्हायरसांक मास्क आनी PPE सद्या गरजेचे म्हूण दोतोरूच सांगतात.
Today thinking okay, but we should get some PPE and some this thing also. What is that called? Masks and all to protect us.
चिखले कॉटेज हॉस्पिटलाचेरूय पुष्पवृष्टी.
Goa Naval Area, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to all the doctors, nurses, support staff, the paramedics, and of course the sanitation workers. I think you guys are doing a wonderful job over here, putting yourself at such a great risk, and so that we all can be safe.
All the staff members have really cooperated, and they are working day in and day out. No night, no day. Nobody is grumbling that I will not be coming or you will not be coming. Everybody is doing a great job, and what is needed is a little appreciation from someone or the other. We may have done, and with this, I think they have given us a boost. So we will be working all the way more.
And from our side, we have to say that we will do our best to contain this COVID-19 disease, and I feel we will be emerging successful.
Sweets were also distributed to the staff at Vasco Police Station. In addition, 1,500 naval men and women got together in a formation at INS Hansa to display a message thanking the Corona warriors.
Bureau Report Prudent.